household chores and appliances, or tools. Do the laundry. I have to do my laundry today. She did the laundry and hung it out to dry. Have you done the laundry? Washing machine. Washing machine. Hang. Shall I hang your coat up? Clothes hung from hooks on the walls. The curtains hung in thick folds.
Clothes hanger. Clothes hanger. Iron. Would you iron the shirt for me? Her clothes were always beautifully ironed. She's finished ironing. Iron. Iron. Fold. Will you help me fold up the clothes? She folded all her clothes and packed all her bags. The blankets had been folded down. Clothes folding board. Clothes folding board. Wash. Have you washed the dishes yet? We all washed up after dinner. She washed the cups and put them away. Dishwasher. Dishwasher.
Dry. Could you dry the dishes, Danny? He was humming a tune as he dried the dishes. Tom dried his face with a towel. Make the bed. My mother always airs the sheets before she makes the beds. I got up, dressed, made the bed and left. I make my bed every morning. Change the sheets. We should change the sheets once a week. If you change the sheets on a bed, you take the used sheets off the bed and put on. Why is it so difficult to change the sheets?
Clean. Mother went shopping. Meanwhile, I cleaned the house. I cleaned up my room. We'll go out as soon as I've cleaned up the kitchen. Vacuum. The room needs to be vacuumed. I vacuumed the carpets today. The chambermaid vacuumed the carpets today.
Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Wipe off. Would you wipe off the table for me? Wipe off excess marinade before cooking.
I'm afraid this paint won't wipe off. Scrub. He scrubbed the old saucepan clean, and it looked as good as new. After the tomato sauce boiled over, I had to scrub the stove. Please scrub the sink. Take out. I take out the rubbish responsibly every day. Emmy, take out the garbage, please. It's your turn to take out the garbage.
Mop. He mopped the bathroom floor. I mop the kitchen floor twice a week. Michael mopped up quickly with his napkin. Floor mop. Floor mop. Sweep. Don't forget to sweep under the beds. Will you sweep the leaves off the patio? Please sweep the floor.
Broom, broom. Rake. In the autumn, I rake up the dead leaves. She raked the dead leaves off the lawn. Rake the soil before planting the seeds. Rake. Rake. Wash. I must wash the motorcycle tomorrow. I really must wash the car this weekend.
I needed 4 buckets of water to wash the car. Car wash machine, car wash machine. Cook. I don't cook meat very often. He cooked a huge dinner for us. Wrap the chicken in foil and cook it for 2 hours.
Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Stove. Stove. Oven. Oven. Microwave. Microwave. Blender. Blender. Feed. Let's feed the kids first and have our dinner after. I get really fed the dog. Have you fed the animals? Mow. You can't mow the grass if it's wet. A neighbor's boy comes to mow the lawn on Saturdays. My job was to mow the grass and keep the garden looking generally tidy. Lawnmower. Lawnmower.
Water the plant regularly to keep the soil moist. We have to water the plant constantly due to yellowing leaves. Watering can, watering pot. Repair. I got my son to repair our TV. I really must get my bike repaired this weekend. He asked if she could repair the broken lamp. Tighten. Can you tighten up the bolts for me? I tightened the knots and prepared to descend. Take your spanner and tighten the nut. Nail. She had nailed a small shelf to the door.
A notice had been nailed up on the wall. The lid of the box had been nailed down. Hammer. Nail. Drill. Drill a series of holes in the frame. He drilled into the wall of Lily's bedroom. First, drill a small hole in the board. Drill. Drill.
Speak English like a native speaker. Welcome to English Free Channel, www.foryouenglishfree.com.